Assalamualaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and a very warm welcome to a very special show today. मेरा नाम Sophie है, and I shall be with you all the way till 6 p.m. You know, usually I host a show called Drive On with Sophie Monday to Thursday from 5 to 8 p.m. But today it's going to be a very special edition, and all of us have been so excited for this. Now here's the deal. हमारे पास आज जो एक गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, ही इज नॉट ओनली पॉपुलर इन द यूके और नॉट जस्ट पॉपुलर इन पाकिस्तान बट अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. एंड उनके बारे में मैं आपको डिटेल बताऊंगी थोड़ी ही देर में. बट हियर्स व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. You need to just sit back, relax, take it easy, enjoy the music, keep on texting in a 9191. We shall be having a competition very soon also. आज Friday है, the 24th of March 2017. बड़े स्पेशल एक सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट हमारे पास जो है वो आज आए हैं, और वो जो है बेसिकली स्कॉटलैंड से आए हैं, ऑल द वे टू लाहौर. सो वो कौन है, मैं आपको एक छोटी सी क्लू देती हूँ, एंड देन यू नो एग्जैक्टली हु एम आई टॉकिंग अबाउट. अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू यू.
हाँ कि इन्ना समान असी पाकिस्तान 2 हफ्ते ਲਈ जा रहे हैं, 2 साल ਲਈ नहीं. मेरा बैग किथे आ? मैनू 2 कच्छियां जियां पातियां तां आप तू पूरी अलमारी लैके चलियां. औरतां नूं ज्यादा समान चाहिदा हुंदा वा. चल हुण फ्लैट दा टाइम हो गया ही.
Take it easy, drive safe.
Alright, you guys guessed it right. Rahim Pardesi, of course, shall be over on the show very soon. If you have any questions, you guys are more than welcome to text in on 9191. मगर सबसे ज्यादा मुझे जो है मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं नसरीन के लिए, and we have a lot of people who are really looking forward to talk to Nasreen. So here's the deal. 0423 577 1636 is the number to call in. Once again, 0423 577 1636 is the number to call in, or you can text in on 9191. And Rahim shall be joining us shortly, but right now this is going to be something just like this, a brand new track by Coldplay featuring the Chainsmokers. Take a listen. Alright, what a fantastic song that was by the Chainsmokers and Coldplay, of course. It's called Something Just Like This, that I completely love and adore. It's actually one of my favorite songs these days. Anyway, time on the dial is 512. मेरा नाम Sophie है. It's a very special show that I'm hosting for you at FM91 Lahore. And आज अपने बड़ी special एक guest को बुलाया है. We're all so excited to have him over. And अभी हम उनको जरा चाय शाय पिला रहे हैं so that he can relax for a bit because he was stuck in traffic for a long time. So here's the deal. Now we have a competition for you. आपको पता है कि रहीम परदेसी would be over on the show very soon. And वो जो हैं characters बड़े मजे के play करते हैं. Specifically his character of Nasreen, as he says, is really popular. तो आज हम लोगों ने ये करना है that अगर आपने उनसे बात करनी है, you guys can text in on 9191, you can tweet in as well, you can post in on our Facebook page, or you can give us a call on 0423 577 1636. Once again, 0423 577 1636 is the number. Acha ji, we have loads and loads of messages, and almost all of you want to talk to Nasreen. Okay, I mean, I seriously don't blame you. I'm a huge fan of Nasreen as well. सबसे पहले हम start करते हैं competition से, उसके बाद हम उनको लेकर आएंगे on air after the next link. All right? So the question is that what is the name of Nasreen's friend that she hates? Okay, so there is a friend of Nasreen that she absolutely hates. All you need to do is go ahead and text away 9191 with the name and your number. Okay, आपने क्या करना है कि आपने टेक्स्ट इन करना है 9191 पर अपने नाम के साथ और कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल्स के साथ, और उन फ्रेंड का नाम बताना है जो कि नसरीन को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं होती और वो अक्सर बात कर रही होती है उनके बारे में कि भाई ये जो मेरी दोस्त है ये किसी तरह मेरी जिंदगी में इन्वॉल्व ना हो. सो ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज गो अहेड एंड टेक्स्ट अवे 9191. वी शुड बी टॉकिंग टू द एंटरटेनर राइट आफ्टर द शॉर्ट कमर्शियल ब्रेक दैट वी हैव फॉर यू. डू नॉट गो एनीवेयर, स्टे विद अस. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, finally the wait is over, and in the studios of Radio 1 F91, we have the one and only, I'm rolling out the red carpet for Rahim Pardesi. Assalamu alaikum, how are you?
Wa alaikum salam, Sophie, I'm very well, how are yourself?
I am so excited. In fact, you know what, everyone was like making fun of me, कि, you know, you're like a kid in a candy store, नहीं होता, इतनी ज़्यादा excitement आपको हो रही है. But I'll tell you why I'm so excited to have you here. Because you've become a part of our life.
Wow.
Every single day we watch your videos, and that is the impact of your videos.
You know, that feels really, really good, because that is my main motto, is to bring smiles and laughter into people's life. And you know, because I think nowadays there's a lot of negativity going around the world. Even when you go on Facebook and social media, there's a lot of things happening. So I thought it was a good idea to make, you know, people laugh and lighten things up.
Absolutely. So, you know, for people who don't really know who exactly is Rahim Pardesi, so we'll give you a little bit of an insight today. Okay? So basically his real name is Muhammad Rahim Amar. Okay, he is an actor, he is a video editor, he is a producer, he's a script writer, he's an entertainer as well as an entrepreneur. इतने ज़्यादा feathers हैं आपके कैप के अंदर, आप थकते नहीं इतने ज़्यादा feathers
बस
रखते?
रोटियां पकाना नहीं आते, बाकी सब कुछ ही खा लेना।
गोल रोटियां, हाँ, मगर कोशिश जारी है वो
कोशिश
गोल
जारी है,
रोटियां, बिल्कुल सही। उसके अलावा he is more popularly known as Rahim Pardesi, of course. Now, correct me if I'm mistaken, but you are a Pakistan-born Scottish, and is that right? You're based out of Scotland?
No, I'm actually born in Glasgow in Scotland.
Okay.
I was born there.
All right.
I was raised there.
Okay.
I stayed in Pakistan for about 3.5 years to 4 years.
Okay.
I think between the age of 14 till 17, 18, something like this.
And that was in Sahiwal?
This was in Sahiwal, yeah, that's correct. And that's where I picked up all the Punjabi lingo and stuff
dialect
like that.
and everything.
And my father used to take me to the villages quite often, as my family stays there. My dad's side of the family stays there. So that's where I picked up a lot of the things that I do and speak.
And especially the way that you say hockey.
Hockey,
Yeah. Can you just say that one more time?
Hockey karan nahi hai tu.
I love that. You know, the way you say it, it's amazing. So, in 2015, that's when you started, you know, professionally creating all the videos, you know.
That's
and
right.
it was by the insistence of your friends and your family members.
Yeah. I mean, I used to make videos to make my family and friends laugh, and you know, it came to a point that says, yeah, you know what? Why don't you actually put these videos on a, you know, make a social media platform and do it, you
Of
know,
course,
take it to
makes
the next
sense.
level, you know. And I wasn't really actually very keen. I was like, कौन देखेगा यार, आप लोग हंस ले तो बस ठीक है, बहुत है मेरे लिए. And then, you know, one day I was actually bored, and I was like, right, you know what, let's make a page and let's just see what happens. And
So boredom was the actual cause of your stardom later on.
Sorry?
Boredom was the actual cause of your stardom.
Exactly, boredom. अब मैं खुद बोर हो रहा था, मैंने कहा मैं खुद बोर हो रहा हूँ तो लोग कितने बोर हो रहे हैं. So मैंने कहा let's do something. And then I made my first video, which was based on Halloween.
Yeah.
Where the Desi kids go into a Desi home.
I
for,
remember.
Yeah, trick or treating,
Yeah,
and that went viral, you
Yeah.
know. And I was like really gobsmacked because I didn't have any fan base. There was no likes on the page or anything, and it just went viral. It was just the support of my family and friends that made it viral.
Yeah.
And I thought, चलो तुक्का लग जाता ना, you know.
बच्चों को तो आपने चुवारे दे दिए थे.
शुआरे देते थे आहो.
It was hilarious. Achha, I remember your second video, the PIA one. It was really
PIA
popular
one,
also.
One, yeah. So after the Halloween one, I thought, you know, okay, let's see, दूसरी दफा क्या होता है. So I made the PIA video, and the concept I had was based on the experience that I personally had, you know.
Okay.
And I was like, you know what?
And not just once, I'm sure that you've had it
Quite a
over
lot of
the
times.
Yeah.
And I thought I'll be lighthearted. People can relate to it, you know. So I made that video, and that went even more viral. And I was like, whoa, what is going on here? You know, what is going on? So it was just one after the other, and इस तरह होता रहा, सिलसिला चलता रहा. I kept, you know, consistency, which is what I think that kept me going, kept the fans going, kept the growth of the fans going. I think consistency is very important, because जो आपके fans हैं, वो इंतजार, you know, they wait for your new video, कब आएगी. So I used to make at least one video every week from start to up tak, you know.
बिल्कुल.
So I think that was very, very important, and it's very, very hard, you know, to come out with new sketches every single week.
Absolutely.
And that's where my team comes in. Alhamdulillah, I've got a very hard-working team back home in Scotland. And they're mostly females. So
Yeah, that's what we've heard.
yeah,
Girl power, yo.
Girl power all the way. Girl power all the
तो
way.
काफी आपको तो गैंग अप भी कर लेते होंगे आपके खिलाफ
बिल्कुल,
काफी ज्यादा.
बिल्कुल.
तो फिर तो आपको कोई से नहीं होती होगी उसके अंदर.
नहीं,
बस कह दिए तो बस कह दिए आराम
They
से
like my
चुप के.
sisters, you know. मैं कहता हूँ चलो ठीक है, जैसे आप कहते हैं वैसे. So alhamdulillah, they're very hardworking, and I believe as a team we come out with great concepts and you know, great videos. One thing we do is we try to stay away from politics, religion, and vulgarity. So these are the main three things that we completely stay away.
Absolutely. You know what? I'll just tell everyone also that the first question that Rahim asked me, when he came to the studio, is that, what exactly do you like about my videos? And I told him one thing. I told him that he's a very good actor. And honestly, बहुत सारे wine artists होते हैं, बहुत सारे entertainers होते हैं, who come up with ideas that are cliched या आपने काफी ज़्यादा देखे होते हैं. But the thing about your videos, to be very honest, Rahim, is because you're a great actor. You're a fabulous actor. So tell us that, we were researching and we found out that, your dad was also pretty keen on sort of acting in front of the mirror, and probably that's where you got, the genes from also.
Yeah.
And you've been doing it for a long time. So who were the artists that you loved to sort of follow back in the day when you were a kid?
I think, being very honest, there was a drama called Boota from Clover
हाँ,
Dixon,
याद है. वो फैसल कुरैशी वाला ही.
Faisal Qureshi
हाँ,
ka.
हाँ.
My dad used to bring a lot of Pakistani dramas home. We used to watch it, and I used to really enjoy watching Pakistani dramas. And then there was the odd Bollywood film, and I've always been into dancing and always been into sports, all the physical stuff and the acting side. So that's where I kind of and my dad, obviously, he told me not long ago that he himself used to pose in front of the mirror.
You didn't catch him in the act.
I
did
didn't,
you?
unfortunately.
Should
No.
have secretly videotaped him or something.
So that's where it all started, and I really wanted to become an actor. So I thought the best way to get noticed maybe is through entertainment.
Absolutely, and I must mention, everyone who's tuned in right now, I mean, this guy is a genius when it comes to acting, and you actually have portrayed two completely different characters altogether. Now let's talk about your characters. Nasreen तो खैर superstar तो हैं ही, आपको पता ही है, और मैं बल्कि सारे messages आपको भी पढ़ाती हूँ जो नसरीन के लिए प्यार मोहब्बत भरे messages आए हैं. अच्छा, but मेरी mom की favorite character जो आपके videos में है ना, that is Pardesi himself.
Pardesi himself, yeah.
Yes.
There's a lot of people that like Pardesi.
Yeah.
And there's obviously there's so many people that just like Nasreen. So the two characters have a lot of contrast.
Yeah.
And the chemistry is very good. People really like the chemistry between. तो उनका आपस में गुस्सा भी होता है, चलता रहता है, हंसी मजाक. So is really nice.
No, it's amazing. So now let's tell people that what glitters is not always gold, right? And people feel कि चलो ठीक है, ये बहुत आसान काम होता है, इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है कि आपने ठीक है ये काम कर लिया. आप उनको ये बताएं कि A, it's not easy, and B, maintaining that quality of work is not easy at all. So what is the thought process and work process? Where does it start and how does it end?
I mean, of course, again, with my mentioning my team, it's always a great bonus, even though I do mostly come up with the concepts and the videography side of things, the editing I do myself, but, a helping hand with the team is always a great bonus, and as you says, coming up with concepts every single week.
Not an easy job.
It's not an easy job.
Absolutely.
And then playing two characters, sometimes even three characters in some videos is really. जब आप वीडियो देखते हैं 5 मिनट की 6 मिनट की वीडियो होती है, आप देख लेते हैं और हंसते हैं और कहते हैं okay, that's fine, that's really good. But being honest, some people don't realize how much effort and hard work and hours of graft go into making videos. I mean, एक वीडियो सिंपल 5 मिनट की वीडियो पूरा दिन, कभी 2 दिन भी पूरे लग जाते हैं.
बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
And then उसकी एडिटिंग को एक पूरा दिन लगी. So it's like 2 to 3 hard working days. And it's really not easy. अब मैंने पाकिस्तान आके एक वीडियो बनाई है, the Punjab one.
हम स्टॉक कर रहे थे आपकी स्नैपचैट को, हमें सब खबरें हैं कि आप कहीं खेतों में घूम रहे थे. आज नसरीन कहीं मुझे नजर आ रही थी.
So tonight, this is exclusive on your radio, by the way.
Woohoo!
So tonight there will be the part 2 released on YouTube for the Punjab part 2 Nasreen.
Oh, fantastic.
So when I filmed the part 1,
post the limo that she went away.
The limo, yeah.
Yeah.
She had a bad experience.
She did.
When we were videographing that, the whole sketch, it took us literally a day and a half, and the crew that I've got from here local, वो तो थक गए. वो तो यार हम तो सोचते थे बस ऐसे ही कैमरा उठा के बस आप बना देते हैं.
नहीं, इस तरह तो नहीं होता. हाँ.
तो उनको भी फिर रियलाइज हुआ कि नहीं यार, ये तो बहुत मेहनत लगती है इसमें, और इसमें बहुत hours of inconsistency. And me personally, when I'm shooting, it's not just about just one take. चलो जी हो गया, next करते ना. I only stop when I believe that हाँ ठीक, I've done justice to the
You're
character.
a perfectionist.
I mean, we can't do it 100% perfect, but I try to do as close as I can.
Wonderful. You know, that sounds great. Okay, so well, it's time for a short commercial break, and we have a song for you since you are in Lahore. So we decided to play a song for you guys.
Okay.
And this is especially for you. It's called Lahoria. I don't know if you've heard this song or not. It's from the film called Karachi se Lahore. ठीक है?
Okay,
तो ये
okay.
स्पेशली लाहौर के ऊपर है. आप हमारे शहर आए तो हम आपको वेलकम करते हैं इस गाने के साथ. And for the rest of you, we have a question. And how about if Rahim gives you guys 3 options, okay? So सवाल ये है, what's the name of Nasreen's friend that she hates? Option number 1.
Shagufta,
Option number 2.
Shabana,
Option number 3.
Kausar.
Okay, right, as simple as that. ठीक है, आपने text in करना है 919 पर with the name and your contact details. A short commercial break coming your way. Do not go anywhere. Stay with us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, so did you guys enjoy the track that we played for you? Lahoria, of course. It was from the film called Karachi se Lahore, going out especially to our special guest today, Rahim Pardesi. And he's over in Lahore, हमारे शहर में आए हैं, so we wanted to give him a warm welcome also. So Rahim, we have a special gift hamper for you,
Okay.
but you need to earn that gift hamper.
ओए होए,
Okay,
ठीक
तो
है,
ये जरा हमने थोड़ी सी, अब इस तरह इतनी आसानी से तो नहीं
जरा
देना
बामा
ना।
टांगला
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल
चलो जी,
बिल्कुल.
शुरू.
Okay.
कच्चा तो नहीं पाना.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, it's all good, it's all good. नियत कर लें बस. So we have one of your biggest fans who's tuned in.
ठीक है.
Her name is Munazza Anjum. She's my mom. And she watches your video almost every single day.
Wow.
She never listens to my show. I tell her every day to listen to my show. She's like, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. ये कौन सा टाइम होता है 5 यार्ड? मैंने काम करने होते हैं, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता. Today she's tuned in specially for you.
Wow, Auntie Ji, if you're listening, thank you so much. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੁਆਵਾਂ 'ਚ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖੋ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹਸਾਨਾ ਰਵਾਂਗਾ तो बस मैं यही समझता हूँ कि लोगों की दुआओं की वजह से मैं आज हूँ जहाँ भी हूँ और ऐसा ही चलता रहूंगा as long as they keep supporting me.
So
inshallah.
sweet, very sweet. Acha, now I really want to talk about the award that you got recently. It was in 2016 October, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, and you were basically awarded the Best Video Channel Award by Asian Media Awards. So tell us about that. It's super exciting.
That award show, the award ceremony is quite a big award ceremony, and when I got the email, I was gobsmacked. I was just like in shock. I was like, "Acha, waki," because the channel has, my YouTube channel has been only started for a few months.
Right,
Also,
right.
I started off with Facebook, and then after eventually I started on YouTube. So when I seen that they are giving me this award, I wasn't put into any categories. Like उसमें nominees नहीं थी. वो सिर्फ
It was just you.
I was just like आपको हमने present करना है award at the
Sweet.
end. And I was really, really humbled. And when I went there, the love they gave me, I was really in shock. I was really in shock. And when I received the award, it was so emotional for me. And
Honestly, it was emotional for us as well.
yeah, even for my fans, I was emotional for my fans, for my family, for myself, for Nasreen.
Nasreen was in action there.
Nasreen
also.
was in
She
full
was,
action. हाँ.
Definitely.
तो मैं अपना full वो जो है kilt पहन के अपना Scottish tradition जो dress है.
मैंने देखा था.
I wanted to represent my Scottish roots as well.
Of course.
As my Pakistani roots. So went there and alhamdulillah they gave me the award and it just felt so great, and that really motivated me to do much more. Seeing the support that people have for me in Great Britain and all around the world.
Yeah.
And I even vlogged it. I think some of you might have seen it on YouTube. I vlogged the trip when I went there, and it was fantastic.
And even there, I remember that, you were talking about teamwork. And I guess this is something that makes you very different also. It's not a one-man army, It's teamwork, and you always give credit where it's due.
Oh, yes. I think a single person can only do is very limited. There's always a point where you do need more people, a team, to take things further.
Absolutely. Maintain करने के लिए तो बहुत
And I
जरूरी
think teamwork is वो आपको बहुत ऊपर तक लेके जा सकती है.
बिल्कुल.
वही अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरी जो टीम है उनको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेडिट देता हूँ कि वो बहुत मुझे हेल्प करती है हर चीज़ में. छोटी जो भी मुझे मशवरा करना होता है मैं सीधा उनके पास जाता हूँ कि ये बताएं, and they always give me the best advice.
और जी है भी खवातीन तो ऑब्वियसली आपको अच्छी एडवाइस मिलेगी उनसे, क्योंकि आपको मौका नहीं मिलता होगा ना आगे से कुछ बोलने के लिए. अच्छा, आपके लिए बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आए हैं. ओके, फायजा मुजाहिद, हु इज ऑल्सो सिंगर सॉन्ग राइटर, सेज, "Oh my God, I love him." Okay, so
I love you too.
Okay, Sana Sajad is also, saying a few words, and she says, "Ha ha ha, this is so much fun, and I would definitely tune in."
बिल्कुल, थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके, ग्रेट. एंड नाहिद कह रहे हैं कि गुड शो, ये सही जवाब है और आज बहुत मजे का शो है. ओके, वेलकम वेलकम, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मिसेस ताज कह रही हैं जी लाहौर से, तो शो इज ऑसम एंड वी लाइक टू वेलकम यू.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द लव. लाहौर है ते मैं हुन बस फट्टे चक देने हुन.
अच्छा, उसके अलावा बहुत सारे और भी लोगों ने मैसेजेस किए. मैं उनके आपको जरा बता दूं कि वो कौन कौन लोग हैं. सो बेसिकली वी पोस्टेड अप लाइक अ पोस्ट ऑनलाइन फॉर पीपल टू फॉलो अस एंड मेंशन कि अगर आप आ रहे कुछ सवाल पूछना आपसे. मदीहा फातिमा सेज दैट नसरीन आई लव योर हेयर.
Okay, is that a compliment? Is that a serious compliment?
Okay, listen, don't you think it's time कि बेचारी नसरीन को आपको अच्छे कोई बालों का कट दे दें? नहीं,
वो इतना बेचारी हर शैम्पू लगा चुकी है पर उसका कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
वो टोटके नहीं उसने इस्तेमाल किए. वो तो अपने खुद भी वो चैनल यूज करती हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल, पर ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ कोई फर्क नहीं पैंदा.
Okay, अच्छा, एक
जुआ भी पच जाती ने,
फिर भी कोई मतलब कुछ बचता ही नहीं है बालों में, सब डर के भाग जाते हैं. ओके, सो सना मीर इज ट्यून इन एंड शी इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. वो एक बहुत जबरदस्त इवेंट मैनेजर है पाकिस्तान में. वो कह रही है व्हाटएवर द केस इज आई लव नसरीन.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके, यू गॉट सारा सरफराज हु सेज आई लव नसरीन आल्सो. मैंने आपको कहा था नसरीन के लिए बहुत सारा प्यार आ रहा है. एंड वीव गॉट अलबैक हु सेज यू आर माय फेवरेट कॉमेडियन.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. That really means a lot.
Then there's an event management company by the name of Popsicle Events, and they're saying we love Nasreen a lot.
Nasreen loves you too. Nasreen सबके दिलों में है.
सबके दिलों में है. अच्छा जी, इसी बात पे गाना चलाते हैं, उसके बाद फाइनल राउंड आएगा हमारा जहां पे हम लोगों ने इनको थोड़ा सा ग्रिल करना है और देखते हैं कि नसरीन और परदेसी का क्या जबरदस्त मिक्सचर है. अभी के लिए वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ऑलराइट, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ नसरीन्स फ्रेंड दैट शी कंप्लीटली हेट्स. यू गाइस हैव 3 ऑप्शंस. ऑप्शन ए
एक था
कौसर. अच्छा, ऑप्शन बी
शगुफ्ता.
ऑप्शन सी
शबाना.
देयर यू गो, एज सिंपल एज दैट. जल्दी से बताइए टेक्स्ट इन करके 9191 पर. वी हैव द वन एंड ओनली राहिम परदेसी ओवर एट F91 एंड बड़ी मजे का गाना हम इनको डेडिकेट करने लगे. इनफैक्ट यू वांट टू डेडिकेट द नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग टू समबडी?
I actually want to dedicate this song to my family and especially my parents.
Okay, wonderful. This is going to be Turn Up the Music, Mr. DJ. It's a new song. But before that, we got to pay our bills. Do not go anywhere. Stay with us. All right, and what a fabulous song that was. I really like this song, of course, Turn Up the Music, Mr. DJ by Khurram Hussain. And he, of course, is part of Josh. That was going out especially to Rahim and to Rahim's beautiful family. Okay, so let's do this, Rahim. Are you ready for the gift hamper?
Yes, चलो जी शुरू करें.
You are, शुरू करें. अच्छा, इसका नाम है the double Q round, which means a quick questions round. So you have 2 seconds to answer, and we have 15 questions for you. ठीक है? रेडी हो गए?
ओके, चलो जी.
आप बेशक सोच लें, नसरीन के बारे में सोच लें ताकि आपको वो एक स्पॉन्टेनिटी जो है आपके जहन में आ जाए.
हाँ जी,
सोच लिया. ओके, डन. रेडी, 1 2 3 गो. योर करंट क्रश.
माय ग्रैंडमम.
Okay, the best Pakistani actor today.
उसका नाम क्या है यार? वो क्या है यार?
Beep. The best Pakistani actress today.
I've been pass.
Okay, Nasreen कहना चाहिए था आपको. Okay, one person who should not be on TV.
Who should not be on TV would be. There's so many names.
Okay.
I'm not going to go into that.
You're being very polite. Okay, the last time your heart was broken.
कल.
Oh.
मैंने पराठे नहीं मिले कल. दिल तोड़ता मेरा.
उसके बाद मिले पराठे के नहीं?
हाँ, आज मिले नहीं.
मिल गए.
मैं जरा
वैसे कौन से पराठे पसंद है आपको?
आलू वाले पराठे. मूली वाले पराठे. हाय हाय हाय,
जबरदस्त. आई लव मूली बाय द वे.
बस
पंजाब साइड पे लोग मूली ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
खासतौर पर अगर आपकी रूट्स जलंधर से हैं, जो कि मेरे भी हैं, तो फिर वो मूली जो है वो वैसे भी फेवरेट होती है. ओके, लेट्स नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन फूड राइट नाउ. दिस इज व्हाट पंजाबीज डू. ओके, मुझे बहुत भूख लग गई है. ओके, मूविंग ऑन. द लास्ट टाइम यू ब्रोक समवन्स हार्ट.
मैं कोशिश तो करना किसी का दिल
नहीं जी नहीं. दसो तुसी.
मैंने किसी का आई डोंट थिंक, आई होप नॉट किसी का दिल तोड़ा हो. और I'll try my best never to break it.
Okay, your favorite Pakistani city?
Lahore. No doubt.
Okay, Lahore है. Your favorite Nasreen dialogue?
चंगी तो मैं हैगी आ.
Wonderful. Okay, one artist you could do anything to work with.
I would love to work with, again, there's so many names, but I think one of them would be maybe...
Beep. Okay, what exactly would you do to work with them?
I would show my ability. I would show Nasreen's jalwa.
Okay. Okay, who do you find funny?
I find my Dad funny.
And who rarely finds you funny?
My mom.
Really? She doesn't really laugh a lot at your videos?
She watches a lot of the videos, yeah, and she finds me really funny. Surprisingly.
Acha. Okay. If you knew you'd succeed in it, what thing would you do?
If I succeeded in my career, you
Yeah,
mean?
anything that you would just be successful in it, what would you do?
I would just keep loving my fans.
Okay, alright. If you had to sing a song to propose to your love, which song would it be?
Asate jaane.
This song would just...
Asate jaane below the car.
Acha, sahi hai. Would you ever marry someone like Nasreen in real life?
खुदा दा खौफ करो कि क्या हो जा सवाल पूछ लिया मैनू चाटा देखे होता
ओए होए बेचारी दिल
नहीं वैसे दिल दी बहुत
दिल
चंगी है।
तोड़ दिया हाँ
दिल हो तो नसरीन जैसा
नहीं और कुकिंग भी बहुत अच्छी करती है बस थोड़ी सी गोल रोटियां उनको बनानी आनी चाहिए है ना
वो पता नहीं कौन सा शेप बना देती है वो सालन में भी लोहे का वो डाल देती
आई एग्री और तेल भी बहुत डालती हैं वो
हाँ बिल्कुल उफ,
और समझते हैं कि कुछ भी नहीं किया
कुछ
उन्होंने
भी नहीं है
बिल्कुल सही है और नॉट बैड दैट वाज गुड फैंटास्टिक राहिम इट वाज सो मच फन हैविंग यू
I
हियर
got stuck in a lot of the questions
या दैट्स ट्रू बट मैंने आपको इसलिए किया था बिकॉज मैंने कहा चले वैसे भी हमने तालियां तो आपके लिए बजानी है बिकॉज व्हाटएवर यू हैव डन सो फार तो चलो इस राउंड में तालियां बजा दें सो फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ यू वी शुड बी लाइव ऑन फेसबुक राइट नाउ इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर राहिम आई नो दैट यू गाइस आर सेंडिंग योर लव दे जस्ट लव नसरीन एंड आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग वोट्स फॉर
हाय
नसरीन
ला हाय हम किथे जावा
There you
ना
go.
प्यार
There you go. Nasreen तो super hit है ना? तो Rahim, you have a meet and greet session also?
Yes, that's right. I have a big meet and greet session which is tomorrow, and it will be held at the Timmy's, the Gulberg branch in Lahore,
Yeah.
and that will be from 9 p.m. till late. So we've got some really good lineup for you, some nice entertainment, and inshallah it will be hopefully the way we're planning it. It will be very well organized because I know there will be a lot of people coming. So I will try my best to make it as much as I can to make it organized, so it's easy for everyone. And because I know there's a lot of families that come, and so inshallah do come down. And I just can't wait to take lots of selfies with you and get to know all my fans and see them, and I'm absolutely buzzing.
I know. No, you guys definitely should go to Timmy's and join him also at the meet and greet. And you were here at F91. I believe this is your first radio interview since in this trip.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah,
and
so
I just want to thank you, Sophie, for having
pleasure.
me here. It's a great pleasure for me as well, and
Thank
I
you.
myself was excited to meet you and
Thank you.
Have this interview and stuff. So thank you very much.
It was a pleasure. And now we shall be joining the grilling session on Facebook. So go and log on to Facebook, of course. We are going to be live on FM91's official Facebook page, which is Radio 1 FM91. Music is my lifeline. So thank you so much, Rahim. The last track again is going out specially to you. But I would like to dedicate this song to your team.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you.
and especially to Shazia, who was really sweet. And as for the rest of you, go ahead and log on to Facebook right now. Thank you so much, and we catch you guys, inshallah, on Monday.